Hi guys, Alex Green here, back with another video, and in today's video what I'll be sharing with you is how to clean up your ClickFunnels URLs and paths. Now if you're new to ClickFunnels, more than likely the URL of your opt-in page that you're sending traffic to probably looks a little bit like this: your domain name, a path, and some numbers at the end. So what I'm going to be showing you in today's video is how to get rid of those extra numbers at the end so your URLs can look more professional. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below where you'll be notified instantly when I post future videos on this channel. I'll be dropping videos every Tuesday with all kinds of tips and tricks that you can use to stay ahead of the competition as an affiliate marketer. With that being said, I'll go ahead and hop into the video. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is log into your ClickFunnels account and choose the funnel you'll be correcting. Okay, so once you're in your funnel steps, take a good look at the name of the funnel and the name of the first page of the funnel. In my case, the name of the funnel is OM Meditation-DFYS, and the name of the first page of the funnel is right here, opt-in. So what you're going to do is click your company name in the top right corner and select account settings. Go ahead and scroll down and click domain on the left hand side. Now you're going to click on the three bars next to external domains and select edit. So what you're doing right now is choosing what page of your funnel a person lands on when they type in your domain in their web browser. Go ahead and click expand on default page. Now you'll see a list of all the different funnels and pages you have set up on your account, but the one I'm looking for is right here. So I will select it and press save. Now you're going to head back over to the funnel you were just at. Over the preview of your opt-in page, you'll notice that there's a URL. Now, this is where a lot of people accidentally make a mistake when creating their URL paths. They change the path of this URL thinking that this is the path that their visitors will see on their landing pages when it's not. So if you accidentally changed this previously, or if you haven't, just go ahead and click the gear icon, and under path, go ahead and clear out everything. And we're going to name this according to what we want our actual URL to be. But we're going to add a couple of numbers to it at the end. In my case, I'll be naming my path mine-hacks, and I'll just go with the numbers 1, 2, 3 at the end. Go ahead and click update funnel step. Now you're going to click the gear icon next to the orange edit page button, and here is where you will actually name the path without any numbers so that it looks clean and professional. Under path, just go ahead and clear out what's already there, and I'll be naming mine again mine-hacks. And now you can scroll down and click update page, and we are done. Alright guys, like always, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video.